Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'll be teaching you how you're going to create a customer inside SlabWare system. So let's go to the tutorial.
In our last video, we talked about accounts which are also connected to customers. If you haven't watched it yet, just click the card above. Registering a customer works just like registering an account. Let me show you how. First, click on the Clients tab, then go to New Customer. Now fill in the required details: the date the customer was created, how they found you, and their status, whether they're active or inactive. In Customer Info, add their personal information: name, mobile and phone, email, and sales representative. Next, complete the address info: country, state, city, street name and number, and zip code. In Customer Area, you can create a username and password so the customer can log into your website. Click Save and Done. All the customer's personal information is now registered. In Notes, you can write down any relevant information about this customer. In Financial Information, you can link this customer to an existing account. That's why it's important to watch the accounts video first. I'll link this one to the account we created in our last video: Aurora and Whitestone, a fictional interior design company. Now you'll see 3 buttons at the top: Contacts, Pull Info, and Go to Account. Contacts shows you the contact details of employees working at that account. Pull Info imports all the financial settings from the account into the customer's profile. Go to Account takes you directly to the account page linked to this customer. In Projects, you'll find all projects related to this customer. You can also view them on the account page once both are linked. Just click on Accounts and then List of Accounts. Select the account. Here, Michael Thompson's name is already linked to this account, and in Projects, you can also see his projects. Here, there's a search filter to find specific projects. By clicking on New, you can generate a drawing, a quote, or an invoice. I generated an invoice for an order. In Edit Discount, the 10% fee linked to the account and the customer of this account was automatically applied, as well as the taxes. Going back to the customer page, you can see the invoice generated for Michael Thompson, and from there you can quickly access the order. In Notes, you can create follow-ups between the customer and the sales representative. And click Save. Projects document stores all files for each project, organized in folders. Here you can upload documents related to the projects. Add a name and notes if you want. Then click Save. This is how the project documents are organized. You can click and quickly access the PDFs. In Payments, you can check the status of all payments, open or paid, and search by date. By clicking on Report of Payments, you can download a spreadsheet with this data if needed. At the bottom, you can see the total value of this customer's projects, including total invoice, open balance, and total paid. Finally, in Comments, you can leave notes that will be visible to the linked account, its employees, and the customer. On the account page, you can view the comments linked to that customer. As well as the customer's project documents, most bought materials, notes, and projects. Click on List of Orders and go to an order placed by the customer. If they leave comments on projects or in the job tracker, you'll see them here too. At the top, under View, you can filter the comments by category. account, customer, order, or job.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact your support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start your free trial right now.